Everything you need to know about smart casuals. What is smart casuals?
Smart casual is a blend of casual and formal wear, creating a polished yet relaxed look. It is more elevated than everyday casual wear but less rigid than business attire. The goal is to look stylish and put together without being overdressed.
When and where to wear smart casuals. Workplaces, offices with a relaxed dress code, creative industries, client meetings. Dinner dates and social events. Restaurants, networking events, casual parties.
Travel and city outings. Airports, sightseeing, museums, upscale shopping. Semi-formal gatherings. Casual weddings, cocktail parties, conferences. Casual business meetings. When full business attire isn't required but you still need to look professional.
How to style smart casuals.
Balance comfort and sophistication. Choose structured pieces with relaxed elements. Neutral and earthy tones work best, but you can mix in subtle patterns and colors. Avoid too baggy or too tight clothing, aim for a tailored or well-fitted look. Mix dressy and relaxed pieces, like pair a blazer with jeans, or a polo shirt with chinos. Smart casual clothing pieces, for her. Blouses, stylish tops, or fitted turtlenecks. Tailored pants, culottes, or dark jeans. Midi skirts or wrap dresses. Blazers or structured jackets. Flats, ankle boots, block heels, or stylish sneakers. Simple accessories and tote bags. Smart casual clothing pieces, for him. Blazers, casual or unstructured. Chinos or well-fitted dark jeans. Polo shirts, button-down shirts, or turtlenecks. Loafers, derby shoes, or clean sneakers. Smart knitwear, sweaters, cardigans. Leather belts and minimal accessories. What not to wear in smart casual. Ripped jeans, overly distressed, overly revealing clothes. Athletic wear, hoodies, gym sneakers. Flip-flops or overly casual sandals. Loud logos, flashy graphics, or overly bold prints. Smart casual is versatile, comfortable, and stylish. Perfect for modern workplaces, social gatherings, and semi-formal occasions. By mixing refined and relaxed pieces, you can create effortless outfits that look polished yet approachable. Please like, share, and subscribe.